Hello everyone, my name is Navanita Chakravarti. Today, our topic of discussion will be ICT tools as teaching learning material. ICT means information and communication technology. How we can use this in our education system. So, our key points of this presentation will be first, introduction. Next, we have ICT tools in elementary education, how we can use these tools in elementary education. Next, we have the ICT tools I select and apply in my teaching learning environment. What are the ICT tools I use in my class? Next, we have different approaches to ICT integration. Then we have case studies and examples. The next point is the challenges and the solutions. Next point will be conclusion, obviously. So let's move to our first slide, which is introduction. So first, we need to know the definition and the importance of ICT. ICT, that is information and communication technology. It encompasses tools and resources used to communicate, create, disseminate, store and manage information. What is the significance of ICT in education? So basically, we all have smartphones in our hand. So we can use this smartphone as ICT tool in the classroom. If we show something on our smartphone, the student engagement will be more, the interest will grow, the interaction will be increased. So basically it enhances learning experiences and it provides access to wealth of information. Objectives: to explore the various ICT tools used in elementary education and examine different approaches to their integration. Now we have our next slide, which is ICT tools in elementary education. So the common ICT tools we can see almost every school, like smart boards, tablets we are given from the government, luckily, to use in educational purpose. The educational software, online resources are widely used in elementary education. What are the benefits? Obviously, again, it enhances engagement, interactivity, supports diverse learning styles, and provides access to a vast array of information and resources. The next very important point is the ICT tools I select and apply in my teaching learning environment. The very common ICT tool we all have in our hand, that is mobile phone. So I use this mobile phone as teaching learning material. So what is mobile phone? Mobile actually is a device which is a portable handheld computer, and it enables users to access information, perform different types of tasks. We can connect with the people or with other devices through mobile phone. So it allows us to show some e-content, and also we can make our topic more stronger, more structured with the help of mobile phone. Students are very much concerned, interested on the topic where I am using mobile phone as teaching learning material. The next ICT tool I use in my class is tablet. So we are fortunately given the tablet from the government to use it in our classroom for an educational purpose. Tablet basically it's a larger version of smartphone and smaller version of PC. The screen size of tab is larger than phone, so it is easily visible to the students. So I can show presentation, movies, photos and videos on the tab, and some ebooks also we can show. Now we have different approaches to ICT integration. The first point is teacher-centered approach. We teachers can use ICT tools to present information and guide learning activities. Next, student-centered approach. Students also can use ICT tools to explore and create with teachers facilitating. Next, the very important objectives of using ICT tool, that is blended learning. It combines traditional teaching method with the ICT tools to enhance learning. Next, we have game-based learning. Game-based learning is very much fun to the students and it is very much interactive also. Now, let's see some examples where I used the ICT tools in the classroom. In class 5, there is a chapter called Shapes and Angles. To elaborate this chapter, I had used tablet in the classroom and I had shown them different types of shapes, different types of angles in the tablets, and later on I showed them in practical life also. In the same manner, I used mobile phone in class 4 to explain the function of calendar and clock, to make the children understand how the clock works, in how many minutes 1 hour happens, in how many seconds 1 minute happens, like how many days a year has, how many days a month has. So it builds the foundation very strongly. They can understand the concept very well. Next, I used tablet in class 3. There is a prose called the Magic Garden. There are some key words like garden, playgrounds, children, flower, gardener. I have shown them the picture of these things. Their imagination can be stronger about the concept. But there are some challenges also to use these ICT tools. The very common problem is internet connectivity issues, especially in rural areas. The schools situated in rural areas, there are some major network issues. And then we have inadequate infrastructure, lack of funds, insufficient technical administrative support, resource related constraints. But we have to overcome the challenges. The suggested solutions can be providing more ICT resources, constructing well furnished ICT labs, proper maintenance of the ICT resources, reduction of teacher workload, training the teacher on integration of ICT in teaching, having backup power in case of power cut, providing stronger internet and availability of the e-content to be used in the ICT integrated lessons. So lastly, the conclusion. ICT clearly enhanced the learning experience in the classroom by making it more interactive, more enjoying, more engaging, more interesting to the students. Various approaches like teacher-centered, student-centered, blended learning, game-based learning have proven effective. So the future trends, it increased use of AI and adaptive learning technologies will further transform the elementary education. Yes, there are some challenges, but by overcoming the challenges and by using the power of ICT, we can create more effective and inclusive environment in the classroom, and we can prepare the children for the demand of the modern world. Thank you.